that is suffering. Because when you really see that all of these people who were in communion, they were able to separate from the physical, mental self like a velcro. Separate. Right? And when you separate, what is this thing that stays? Right? It's the self, it's the spirit that remains. And the Bhagavad Gita, right? In the Bhagavad Gita, there are descriptions of how no sword can cut it, no fire can touch it, no wind can touch it. Right? So that's the sutra over there. The rain doesn't make it wet. So this part of the velcro that remains, that always remains, that we have to develop a independent relationship with as we go through experiences of life. To be centered in that, to be stable in that. That is called Sve Sthita Iti Swastha. Swastha, that is the terminology of health. To be stable in this velcro. Sva and Stha, two words. Sva is self and Stha is to be stable in. And that's how the word for health comes, which is swasthya.
Is this written on the top of there?
Yeah, this